Hey guys, bit of a weird thing. It's dark now. Oh, look, you can tell. I didn't do an intro for this video, so yeah, it's a gardening day. It's a Steve's outside all day kind of day, not working on stuff. It's a self day, self-care day. So gonna get some work done on the garden. I'll show you guys that. And yeah, I guess that's it. We're doing gardening stuff today, guys. Let's freaking go. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go get some dirt from the old pile. I started building a garden section last week, I think, because I've wanted a garden for like 2 years, 3 years maybe, and just never had the time for it. So this year I'm making some time for it because it's fun. It gets me outside. It gets me in the sun, which is freaking beautiful. It's a beautiful day out today. You can't even tell. It's so bright out there. But yeah, I love being out in the sun. It just makes me feel good and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll go sweep out the box of my truck, grab a shovel, and we'll get some dirt and see how much I can move before I start hurting. But yeah, see you guys at the dirt pile. Well, that's a big pile of dirt. There's lots of composted material in it too, so this will be good for the garden. I'm gonna shovel a bunch into the box of the truck, and then we'll take it over to the garden. I'll show you guys what I got going on there. Well, that's a load. Freaking exhausted. See how much of one of the planter boxes this fills. Oh, I can't feel my arms. That's a bit of dirt. There's my garden in the background. You can see it there. Planter boxes and stuff. I'll give you guys a better overview of it in a few minutes. I need to sit down. I am sitting down. I need to remain seated for a few minutes and get some energy back. Holy crap. So we'll catch up with you guys when I get some energy and grab the wheelbarrow. Well, got it roughly laid out where I want everything to be. Freaking sheep are so loud. I'm going to start with this box because it's the most level and I like where this one is. So it was suggested to me to put a bunch of cardboard down as a base so that weeds can't grow through. I know it's not perfect and there's lots of holes in it. Also, still not sponsored, guys. Come on. So I'll start grabbing some wheelbarrows and fill it in. Well, that is one box full. I think that's as full as I'm going to get them. And I've seen a really good sign. Where'd it go? Right here. There's worms in me dirt. That's perfect. That's exactly what you want to see. So I'm not a huge gardener. I don't know all the ins and outs and everything about gardening, but I know worms equals good. So we'll chalk that up as a win. Lots of rocks and crap. Don't need all them. But yeah, I like it. So that was pretty well the whole friggin' truckload. I think it was 6 heaping wheelbarrow loads. And yeah, that's a lot of dirt. I'm pooped. It's important to hydrate. Stay hydrated. And beer does not count. Although it does have water in it, it does not count. Get out of the sun. There we go. Part of the reason why I kept it so low is so that when I start sprouting stuff, I can put some chicken wire over top of it and they'll be protected until they're probably about that big. And then by then, hopefully they'll be established enough that birds and stuff can't destroy them. So we'll see how that idea goes. But yeah, 1 out of 6 done. Show you guys my raspberries too. I love those things. Raspberries are my favorite fruit of all time. And I got 2 more right in front of me too, different variety. So I'll show you guys what's up. Yeah, so this is one variety. These were just planted today. My buddy Paul came over and planted those 2 for me. And then last Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. He came over and planted all those for me. And I picked a location, and it was a good idea until, well, the reason why we put them there is so that rain would fall off the roof and water them. What I didn't think of was winter time. The snow piles up as tall as the pallets almost, so they're gonna get obliterated in the winter. So the one plan that I came up with was to go off of each one of those trusses and build like a little 2-foot extension at a steeper angle than the roof, so that the snow will just slide off and won't pile up. It doesn't have to be super strong, but it does have to withstand a bit of weight. So that's my plan. We'll see if it works or not. I guess I've got all summer to do it. So mission accomplished for that. So we'll what I need to do is go get some water, I think. I've got a big 500 gallon, 250 gallon, one of those huge IBC, those big square totes that everybody sees, 1,000 liters, 250 gallons, that's what it is. So I could probably load that into the truck and then fill it as much as the suspension will allow, and then maybe use the loader right there to unload it and just like sit it outside of the gate, and then I can use that to water off of instead of tapping into the house water or the other water, because we have a pond way at the far end of the farm, and that's free. The water that we are metered on is not free, and it's apparently very expensive, so we've been advised not to use it. So we'll see if I can come up with a solution for that. Well, here's my idea for water. I use a big one of those 250 gallon totes and fill it up at the pond, and then use it to fill these ones up. And by these ones I mean this one, because I have one. Well, I have 3 of these barrels, but I only have 1 rack. If I build it higher up and then cover it, I can prevent algae and stuff from growing in it. And I can also use the height to increase water pressure at the nozzle. So I'd be able to water everything. I was going to show you guys my raspberries. I haven't done that yet. I'll do that right now so I don't forget. Yeah, so I like these guys. Some of them are looking a little dry. They were just planted not too long ago, less than a week ago, and a lot of them are doing like really good. Yeah, I need to water these guys today. Yeah, I can't wait for raspberries. I freaking love raspberries. All the way down. That's just a stick holding that one up. Yeah, and then the end there. But yeah, did not think about the snow shed, because when it falls, it's gonna pile right on these guys. I'll have to figure something out. It's been a tiring day, but I feel good. I feel like I've accomplished something today, which is nice. That's huge for mental health. It's tough some days when you just don't feel like doing anything, and you just don't have the energy to do stuff, and then you're so hard on yourself about it. It's so stupid. Like, it's like, I need to rest, brain. Frig off. Give me a minute. But yeah, brain just always goes, and body can't keep up. So, but just take it one day at a time, and yeah, try not to be too hard on yourself. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go dig out the big 250 gallon tote in a minute and get that loaded up, get some water, and then we'll try this thing out. I don't know if I got a hose. Sparrow. That's one of the roosters. Is that so? Yeah, he's a nerd. He was a classroom project. Picked up some sheep, and he came with them. The lady that had them was like, yeah, we got 2 chicks, and we don't want them. So ended up with them. They were both roosters for some weird reason. One of them got eaten by rats because farm life, shit happens. And the other one is doing quite well. He's quite friendly. Yeah, he comes in here and eats some grass every now and then. So far he's been leaving my raspberries alone, which I'm very happy about. Otherwise I'd be having chicken burgers. Grass. Like maybe 2 feet from touching him, he's super friendly. He's got nice colors too. Yeah, this place looks different every day, huh? Well, if you didn't have to pee, you do now. Yeah, so we got 200 and... oh, no.
There was about 150 gallons of water, give or take. And I don't have any fittings for this yet, so I just cut the hole in the bottom of a Gatorade bottle, and that's what's extending the water out and into the bucket. And it can water me raspberries. I'll transfer it to that eventually. I need to get some fittings and stuff. But this works for now. Huzzah! Well, I was dumb. I did all of that crap in the middle of the heat. I felt very dizzy, very disoriented, and like shit. Don't do that. I'm pretty sure I had heat exhaustion, but somehow I pushed through it. I'm so fucking hard on my body. But yeah, back for more dirt. So I'm gonna get more dirt, and then yeah, we'll try to fill another planter box. So now that the sun's gone down, I actually feel good. I don't feel dizzy or disoriented or nauseous anymore. So be careful, guys. Don't do what I do. I'm just a little dumb sometimes. I don't know. I think that, like, it's all in my head. Like, anything that's wrong with me, I try to convince myself that it's all in my head and I'm imagining it. That way I can keep pushing and do stuff. Otherwise I just get anxiety paralyzed. So it's weird. I hydrated a lot. I stayed out of the sun a fair bit. I was hiding in the shade, and as soon as the sun went down and the temps started dropping, I started picking right back up. So yeah, don't be doing hard physical labor in the heat of the sun, because UV's freaking strong, and it'll mess you up. So this is a do as I say, not as I do kind of situation. Anyways, I'm gonna get some dirt after a quick message from our non-sponsor. Y'all know what time it is. Refreshing. It's actually like really good. It feels really good after a freaking hot day. Not sponsored. Should be though. Contact me. Well, there's another load. Let's go fill us another planter box. Ooh. Time for a sip. Well, guys, it is 2 planter boxes full. It's dark now, and I'm using my headlamp to see. So I will go to where it's light and do an outro for this video. Well, guys, I'm freaking bagged. That was a long day, but we got a lot done, so I'm gonna see how much of this video I can edit, and yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and do it all again tomorrow, because I don't let myself rest. Anyways, that'll do it for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.